Hello everyone, welcome back to the part 3 of Sri Lanka travel series. You can also watch my previous video where I have showed you around Colombo and Dambulla city. In this particular video, I will be showing you what all you can do, where to stay in this beautiful city of Kandy. Our first stop in the list is this beautiful Buddha statue built in 1992 to be seen to anywhere of Kandy town. Situated at the hilltop of Kandy city, you can also get 360-degree view of the city. Our second stop was Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic. This Buddhist temple is located in the Royal Palace complex, which houses the relic of the tooth of Buddha. Also one of the holiest shrines in the entire Buddhist world. The temple is open for tourists from 5:30 am to 8 pm. It is advised to dress appropriately, wear outfits that cover your shoulder and legs. Next, we are going on the Royal Botanical Garden. On the way, you can also stop at Kandy Viewpoint, from where you can get the entire view of Kandy city. As it was raining very heavily, we decided to skip this and move forward to Royal Botanical Garden. And oh my, what an experience it was! It takes approx 20 minutes ride from city center. Spread over an area of 147 acres or more, one can spot some rare exotic medicinal and plants. It is known to have more than 4,000 species of flora, including a large range of orchids.
Hello!
Hi! So we are on a suspension bridge.
Yeah,
In
not so
Royal
scary, it's
Botanical
nice.
Garden.
Yay! Hello guys!
After spending some time here and clicking some beautiful pictures, we headed to grab our lunch. On this day, we decided to grab some pizza from Pizza Hut and it was really very delicious. We had some other points to cover as well in Kandy. But due to the bad weather, we decided to skip all the plans and move towards our hotel and rest the entire evening. We booked our stay in Earl's Regency. The hotel is huge, location is perfect, very nearby from all the tourist attraction. Next morning, we grabbed our breakfast and headed towards our next destination, which was Ella. But on the way, we covered some points at Novara Elia also and arrived at our hotel in Ella by 7 in the evening. So do come and watch my next video if you want to see what all I did in Novara Elia. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you soon with another vlog where I will be sharing you about Novara Elia. Till then, bye bye, take care.